And here I come. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Orindam and you are watching the Teaching Doc. Now, whole world is in pandemic situation, right? पूरा दुनिया एकदम बंद पड़ा है and most of us are working from home. Okay, not me. Okay, I'm a doctor and I have to attend my duties regularly and it is more. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा duty है, right? However, even if after a few days lockdown happens or not, lockdown होता है या नहीं होता है, all of us as much as possible we should stay indoors. Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you my top ideas विच यू कैन अडॉप्ट, जो आप अडॉप्ट करके अमेजिंग फोटोग्राफ्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं घर में बैठ के. यू कैन सिंपली रिमेन इंडोर्स एट योर होम एंड यू कैन क्रिएट अमेजिंग फोटोग्राफ्स दैट विल डेफिनेटली सेल in all microstock agencies. One disclaimer, personally I don't have any time at all. I have my ideas, okay, but I cannot implement them. मेरा दिमाग में है but मैं ये कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ because I'm so busy indoor with my baby and outdoor in hospital, right? Somehow I just find enough time to make all these YouTube videos to inspire you guys because I'm loving it anyway. So what better place to get ideas, okay, rather than the best stock photography agency, that is Shutterstock. Okay, so we will jump right away into Shutterstock. So सबसे बड़ा जो फोटोग्राफी एजेंसी है वही से आइडिया लेते हैं, है ना. So first thing, I will search. Okay, you can also open shutterstock.com. okay, not submit.shutterstock.com, that is the contributor account. You can also open shutterstock.com side by side. Okay, and you can search what I am doing. जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वहीं आप कीजिए and definitely you'll be able to find, you'll be able to get many more ideas. Okay, one thing, graphic designers don't have any problem because most of the thing they create is on laptop, okay, on desktop, on PC, using tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, so they don't have to go out much, right? So this is specially for photographers. So you can use these keywords to search the best selling images in Shutterstock, okay, and you can make or reproduce these images in your own way. आप अपनी तरह से ऐसे इमेज खींच पाएंगे, ठीक है. कोशिश कीजिए एग्जैक्ट कॉपी नहीं करने का. यू शुडंट कॉपी एग्जैक्टली बट यू शुड यूज द कंसेप्ट एंड मॉडिफाई इट ऑन योर ओन. सो फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल लाइक टू टेल यू इज यूज दिस वर्ड इंडोर. ओके, so when you search indoor you can find amazing ideas. If you are running out of ideas you can definitely take. So see, number one, exercise indoor. Okay, you can see a woman, he's cycling. Okay, it can be cycling, it can be workout, it can be anything. Okay, let me find more. Okay, see, this guy is working out. Okay, ये वाला बंदा, he is working out. Even yoga, meditation, everything is a very good indoor topic. Okay, you can just take ideas. Meditation. Okay, I made a horrible spelling. Oh my god. T-A-T-I-O-N. Okay, so when you type meditation, yoga, yes, you can see maximum pics are indoor. Okay, we rarely go out. Yes, we go out. मैदान में योगा करने से अच्छा होता है फ्रेश एयर, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द फोटोज यू विल फाइंड आर इंडोर्स ओनली. यू कैन सिंपली आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स और पेरेंट्स और इवन ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स टू पोज and you can use your home background. The background is essential, it should look natural. You can see all pillows etc, तकिया सब दिया हुआ है. This is not possible right now, okay, because I am talking about indoor photography. So see, meditation, very important. All these yoga are indoors only, right? Fine, we are done. Now you can type in macro indoor. Okay, normal indoor photography may be boring, but when you zoom in it will give you an excellent view. See this one, a handle door zoomed in. Okay, I don't know what these people stay. ये लोग कहाँ रहते हैं कि घर के अंदर ये सब मिलता है, but certainly this keyword is not working well. Well, definitely this one you can see a credit card, bunch of credit card on top of a keyboard, right? Fine. macro, you can search simply macro and let's see. Okay, yes, now it's much better. You can see a coin zoomed in, any cloth fiber, fine, any bed sheet, macro photograph of eye, right? If you have got any thing, any plant in balcony, you can zoom into that. Okay, you can see screwdrivers, what not. See a spectacle. Okay, most of these things are already at your home. आपके घर पे ये सारे सामान आपको मिल जाएंगे. Okay, and बस zoom in करना है. अगर आपके कैमरा में, if your camera has got micro lens, fine, macro lens, same thing. If you have got a phone with macro capabilities, you can also use that. The one thing you should note is you need to have very good light source. Okay, you need a lot of light, so make sure you are shooting beside a window. Okay, so number 2 is macro. You can search macro. Okay, next, objects, very important. Objects photograph means you can have anything at your home and you simply shoot them using a creative angle. जो नॉर्मली सामान हम लोगों के घर पे मिलता है वही आप शूट करेंगे विथ अ डिफरेंट क्रिएटिविटी. देखिए ये मास्क. इन सम केसेस यू माइट नीड सम फोटोशॉप ability. Okay, see Lego blocks, chappal, okay, shoes. Most of these are illustrations, but I need to object photos. Okay, I'm doing this as I am recording, so you can see a blank background where many photos have been created to to create this blank space. Okay, excellent. See again keyboard, mouse, but you need Photoshop skill to blank these out. Okay, see, so nice, a photo frame. Okay, in hand. Any object, you can see camera, shoes, spoons, all these are excellent objects that are almost found at home. See, use your phone, you can photograph your hand and phone. Excellent ideas, right? You can take photo of your camera right? A cap, fine, you get the idea, right? Next, one of the most important and money earning topic is food. खाना किसके घर में नहीं है, right? So food photography can buy you many dollars. Okay, you normally buy food with dollars. Now food is getting you dollars. Okay, it's reverse. आप normally पैसा देके खाना खरीदते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे खाना आपको पैसा बना के देगा, right? So in order to take food photography, you need some unique angle, you need good food. I have got a dedicated food photography guide that you can check. I'll give the link in the description. But one of the best category of indoor photography is food photography, and you must have some photos in your portfolio that has got excellent foods. It may not be a very good looking delicious food. Normal foods that are being cooked at your home, only the dishes need to be clean, and all the food photography guides, tips I have in my dedicated video. You need to follow them. वो सारे video follow करके आप एकदम exciting food photography बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? Next, very important topic अभी, work from home, COVID-19. I should have said COVID-19, but I typed COVID-19. जो भी. Anyway, but I hope you get the idea. It means everyone is at home wearing mask. Okay, you can take your own photo. Okay, excellent. See, these are photos that have been taken at home. Most of these are indoor photograph. Okay, see this guy wearing mask and working in a laptop screen. You can take ideas by looking at them. Okay, very good. Next, one of the very important and creative indoor photography technique is mirror photography. You can use the mirror. Okay, see all these type of photograph. A man shaving in front of a mirror. Okay, if you have got any female family member, you can ask her to pose in front of a mirror, reflections. These are excellent indoor photography ideas. Okay. If you have got some good string lights or string LED lights, you can create very nice bokeh photograph. For that you need to have a good DSLR and a prime lens. So all these bokeh you can click indoors. Okay. Bokeh portrait. आई होप यू आर नोटिंग व्हाट कीवर्ड्स आई एम टाइपिंग. ठीक है, अब मैं जो जो कीवर्ड टाइप कर रहा हूँ आप उसको नोट करते जाइए. एंड ये सारे फोटोज़ आप आराम से इंडोर में ले पाएंगे. यू कैन ईजिली टेक दीज फोटोग्राफ्स, दिस टाइप ऑफ फोटोग्राफ्स इंडोर, where you can place the subject in front and the string lights, LED lights in the background, and then you can take these photos. Okay. Next, very important, indoor pet photography. If you have got a very cute cat and dog, you can create thousands of good looking photos using them. Okay, see these, so cute, so very cute. Okay, all of them are an excellent subject for indoor photography. कुत्ता, बिल्ली, चिड़िया, जो भी है, तोता मैन आपके घर में, you can use them to create excellent subject for indoor photography. Okay, and lastly, my favorite that I am doing right now, मेरे घर में मैं यही सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर फ़ोटो ले रहा हूँ अभी, that is baby indoor. अभी most of my photos are being posted in Wirestock. Okay, that too I have stopped uploading since last 1 month after this COVID crisis. But till then, most of my, if not 99% of my photos are photos of my baby doing something. So एक छोटा बच्चा घर के अंदर कुछ भी कर रहा है. Yes, for that you need to have a small baby. Okay, and I'm not telling you to create baby in lockdown situation. It's a joke. Okay, so definitely if you have got a small baby at your home, that's an excellent gift that you can have both for your personal, emotional as well as photographic needs. ठीक है. So I think I have told you enough. Okay. After my favorite topic, I just remembered another topic. That is matchstick creative. Means माचिस की तीली. Okay. So you can see all of these creative photographs have been taken using matchsticks. You can use matchsticks, you can use pencils. Okay, pencil creative. Just type this pencil creative and you can get so many top ideas with a simple pencil. Okay, so it was my job to give you ideas. I hope you can take these ideas and create amazing photographs. मेरा जॉब था आपको बोलना, अब आप ये सारे आइडियाज़ लीजिए, अमेजिंग फोटोग्राफ्स क्लिक कीजिए. If you can actually join my Facebook group and you can put an watermark and you can post your photos. Okay, if you want to show off, but if you want to keep it a secret, that is also done. I respect your decision. Whatever it is, thanks for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography, so that together we can utilize this lockdown and earn a lot of money and enjoy our hobby. So if you have watched this video till now, please use the word indoor. If you type indoor, I will know that you have watched this video till now, and I thank you all for your patient hearing, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.